So what happens if you upload 67 videos in 3 days? Let's take a look. So jumping over to my YouTube analytics here. So this is my second channel. It is currently monetized, and as you can see right here, I uploaded 18 videos on this day, 25 videos on this day, and 24 videos on this day. So where are these videos coming from? So if you guys are not aware, I am part of the Amazon Influencer Program, and I have a bunch of review videos that live on Amazon and not on YouTube. So now I am going to be taking those videos from Amazon and posting them onto my second YouTube channel in hopes of getting some traffic via search, and then viewers will click on the affiliate links and then generate me income. So let's take a closer look. So as you can see, this channel is pretty inactive, but it still had some videos getting it views, like tutorials, some review videos, that type of thing. So ranging between like 800, 900 something. Did I ever get 1,000? Okay, 800 to 1,000, 700 to 1,000 before I started posting videos again. So within the last 28 days, that's what it was generating. And income wise, let's see, how are we doing? Let's see, somewhere between $6, 8, 4. So somewhere between 4 and 9. Let's see, still going here. Yeah, somewhere between $4 and $9 is how we were doing. So let's take a look at what things were looking like after I started posting videos on this channel again. So from 800 views going up to 1,000 on the first day, and then second day 1,400 views, and then third day 1,400 views again. So I'm hoping as time goes on, my catalog of videos will start getting some traction, some views on the back end, and maybe surpassing 2,000 views per day once I hit a certain point. So I have over 800 videos on Amazon that I'm going to pull and post onto this channel. So we'll see what happens with time. So yeah, 1,000, 1,400, 1,400. So how are we doing in terms of ad revenue? So let's take a look at the ad revenue. There's just a bunch of pop-ups here. Okay, so first day I made $8. Second day, $9. So as you see, ad revenue is going up. I know we did have like a $9 day back here, but just if you're just looking side by side comparison of like the views, how they're going up, theoretically revenue should be going up. At some point I should be able to make maybe $10 a day from this. So let's see, how could we do? So what, 300 bucks a time? Yeah, 300. Don't need to do that math. Okay, but there it is. So if I make 10 bucks a day, theoretically I can make 300 bucks from this YouTube channel here. And as you guys know, I'm currently on the journey to getting $1,000 per month. In order to make that happen, I need to make a total of $33 on average per day on YouTube. So if I could get this YouTube channel to 500 bucks a month, and then my YouTube channel that you're watching this video on to 500 a month, then we'll have 1,000. So that is going to be ideal. That is the goal that we're shooting for. And you can see even here on the right hand side, within the last 48 hours, just getting 2,800 views. And if we just click see more, you can see where the views are actually coming from. So right here, one of my review videos was a Blippi toy, and you can see this one is actually generating like the most views out of the videos I posted so far. 11 views within the last 60 minutes. This keyboard video I had published beforehand, and that's still getting me views. This one was a newer post about a Monster Jam toy and got 3 views within the last 60 minutes. This one just about a book, didn't get anything within the last 60 views, but within the last 48 hours almost 200 views there. This one's an older one, didn't really get much going on. Older video or older, yeah, so it's taking a little bit for some of the newer videos to get some traction, but hoping that once they actually start getting some views. Let's go over to the content just so I could show you guys some of the views and what the CTR looks like for some of the ones that are actually getting views. As you can see, I have a bunch of videos like scheduled and ready to go. So let's go over to the analytics of this one. So this one got 5 views so far. Traffic source was suggested. Reach, so CTR 5%. I mean, it's not getting a bunch of impressions, but we'll see what happens as time goes on for that one. This one has 10 views, so let's take a look at this one. 10 views. Okay, so traffic is coming from suggested and search. I have this one titled just how to use tire inflator. Okay, so not great. CTR, that's what 27%. All right, impressions though, this is what we like to see. It's getting put in front of people. Getting some opportunities for views there. All right, so Scooby-Doo. Let's take a look at this one while we go to the next page here. So, I mean, click-through rate, not bad. Because like since we're posting so much, YouTube is like, wow, you got a lot of videos going on here. I don't know which one to send out here. So let's put some videos here, suggested some videos here, and then let's see how they do. So 19 views. This one is just starting to get pushed out, as you can see. Suggested video. Let's see, reach. Ooh, okay, 300 impressions, 6%. So these Monster Jam ones are doing pretty good. I might just start making a bunch of Monster Jam videos and sending those out. So let's see, budget USB. How is this one doing? Budget USB, and then there's this wallet that we'll check out as well. Okay, budget USB. This one, the traffic sources suggested video, 94%. Ooh, click-through rate on this one's terrible. So it got put in front of 1,400 people, and wow, less than 1%. That is, yeah, that's not good. So this one here, YouTube search and suggested is the traffic source. Let's see, a reach. Oh my goodness, that's terrible as well. So yeah, that one in terms of how long that one's gonna get pushed, not so much. So these toy ones though are getting some decent views. That one has 10. We'll take a look at that one. Cast iron pan. And yeah, let's take a look at the Mater book that we saw. Okay, suggested videos, playlist. Even this one just generating me 2 cents. Like, not a lot, but okay, so almost a 5% CTR. Let's see. This one 6%. Oh, that's really good. I have a feeling this one could be pretty good in the long term. All right, how are we doing here? YouTube advertising. I'm not sure. Like, I did not buy any ads for these videos. Like, I would have no reason to. But for whatever reason, someone is buying ads for this video. I don't understand. Almost a 2%. Like, I would not benefit. Like, for me buying the ads for this, so it doesn't make sense for me to do it. I'm not like lying to you guys. Like, why would I pay money for an ad only for this to generate me 8 cents? Like, it doesn't. I promise you, I'm not the one doing this. But for whatever reason, somebody or YouTube is like pushing this video. I don't understand why. Just looking at, we have 4,000 impressions. It was put in front of 4,000 people, and of those 4,000 people, 2% of people clicked. Engagement. Okay, it's a 41-second long video, so they viewed about halfway through on average. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not too sure what's going on there. Take a look at these two as well. Let's see here, 6 and a 4. Let's see here, 6 views here. Suggested videos, a traffic source direct. So this got pushed to someone directly somehow. 2%. That's not good. Let's see. This one is YouTube search and suggested video. CTR 1%. Okay, but yeah, we'll see long term how this strategy works out. This one's got 22 views. This one's got 26. Let's see. Let's just check out these two, and then we could sign off here. So 22 views, 2 cents. YouTube search. Okay, nice. Yes. Okay, that is a good CTR that we're looking for. So this got put in front of 263 people. Of those, 7% of people clicked. So that's good. Long term, that's going to be really good for us if people continue to search for wet, dry, vacuum. So we'll see how that does. This is a sit and stand desk. Let's see here. Suggested video, 25 views. How's the CTR? CTR's 0.5. Oh man, that is not good. That's not good there. Okay. Oh, all right. One more. 70 views here on this book. So these books are doing pretty good. Let's see. All suggested video got me 6 cents. 71 views. Reach 1.3%. All right. So not ideal. but yeah, we'll see how well this continues to do. And I wanted to post these videos on a monetized page, because if I like made a whole new channel, I mean, I have a new channel for review stuff, but like, if I posted all of them on there, I feel like it's going to get a hard time getting the 1,000 subscribers you need to get monetized. Watch hours maybe might be easier, but the 1,000 subscribers, I personally would not subscribe to a channel that is just publishing a bunch of random reviews, but that's just me. But these videos are getting posted on this channel just strictly to have as a catalog on YouTube, just for people to be able to search and hopefully find it. So that's my strategy for this one. And once I'm done uploading all of those review videos, I'm going to throw in guides tutorials on this channel. Again, just I'm making this channel search based, like evergreen search based content going over here, just so I don't have to worry about those videos, because those videos long term does really well. So we'll see how it goes. If this video was informative, you thought this was interesting, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.